HKPD up 56.88% in the pre-market session of today, the 19th of May 2025. We haven't found any news. This is its 4-hour chart. This is equally its 4-hour chart. Intraday high 2.26. It has now, not in, at some point dipped back into its price channel, but right outside of it. So short sellers might be looking at this and thinking they might be able to get something on it, given that it's expected to come back into its price channel. That is equally the case here. It has to be most certainly trading right outside of its market grid. It doesn't have enough data yet, but we could try and see if we can get the projections. There are no upper projections at the moment. Let's see. Let's quickly have a look at its market grid to confirm that it is trading outside of its price channel. Let's apply this. Yes, it is trading right outside of its price channel. We can validate that down here. Yeah, you can see that. At the top of the range, the top of the grid is 1.11. It's trading at 1.61. So it could continue to print higher highs, at the same time as well. Naturally, you should expect it to come back into the grid. A more convenient buying opportunity will be around 1.03, but it's trading at a premium to that now. So there are no extrapolations on this 4-hour chart. It doesn't have enough data. Let's look at the 45 minutes. Yes, it has enough data. Okay, so the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages is that strength will remain in place up till 11, at least up till according to the 10 period moving average, up till 11:30 New York time. This is not a recommendation. This does not mean that this will happen. We have it's not that this market grid will be of any importance, but it's gradually coming back into the grid. And let's see where what is it's definitely not hasn't presented any buying opportunity. So it's at 1.58. So 1.58 is okay. It's in the resistance zone, but still not at comfortable levels. So let's see what we have in terms of projections. 1.15. It's a downward projection. We could just jump all the way towards the 1 minute chart. Yeah, this is not going to be of any use to you by the time you're watching this, but it has an upper projection of 1.84. Yeah, we have seen projections of around, let's see, 2.14. Yeah, 2.14. Just not very long ago. So let's come down to the 4-hour chart and extrapolate the 3 period moving average and see what the extrapolation is saying. Okay, no, nothing here on the 4-hour chart. It doesn't have enough data. We have to use the 45 minute. So the 45 minute is indicating a distributive contraction. Yeah, not that this is really going to be of much use. It's a 45-minute chart. It's more of a trade than anything long term. So, but in any case, the stock has. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. Yeah, the 4-hour chart since early May, it's been in a very strong bullish trend. Yes, it has been. Let's see now. So far, 8.48 million shares have crossed the tape. So there's a downward projection here. We have let's see, not in play at the moment. We have but was in play a couple of hours ago. We have okay, well, there are upper projections. Okay, well, all of them are now downward projections like 1.65, 1.55, 1.4, 0.3, 0.3216, 0.4584, 0.68. But this downward projection is 1.42. Let's see what the probability of it retracing to this level is. Let's see what probability of it retracing here is yeah, quite high, more than 50%. Yeah. Okay. Liquidity is not that poor, but aggression is most certainly very high. Okay, and there isn't any news. We haven't found any news concerning this strength that it's currently printing or has just printed. Okay, let's see if we can look at the daily chart here on Think and Swim and see. This is not really going to be of much use. It's a 1 minute chart. By the time you're watching this, it's really not going to be of it's not going to be of much use. Yeah, this is the expansion. Yeah, expansion that happened at some point. Yeah, we saw it continue to pick up demand from its the upper line of its price channel. Yeah, still trading outside of its price channel. Okay, let's have a look at its daily chart. Even though it's not exactly the best because a lot has happened already, and the daily chart hasn't reflected that. Yeah, strong bearish trend, very strong. As of Friday, there were some projections. We had 0.5488, 0.6652, 0.8600 upper projection. Okay, well, still downward projection 1.34, 1.54, 1.67. I think, yeah, has printed, yeah, at some point printed all of them. So intraday high is now 2.2, 2.2, 2.26. We could try and do some extrapolations. I mean, some projections. We take 2.26 and then we take 1.76, 2.26 and 1.76. We can get that difference, 2.26. Let's see. So it's going to give us zero point 0.5. So zero point 0.5 multiplied by 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. Okay, we add that to the current price of 1.56. We have 2.37, a possible upper projection for HKPD. Let's see. Let's try again. 0.5 multiplied by 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. We have 1.39. Add that to the current price of 1.53. We have 2.84. We try again. 0.5 multiplied by 3.618. We have 1.8. Add that to the current price of 1.55. You have 3.36 Fibonacci. I mean 3.36. Yeah, those are the projections. No guarantee that they will print. Okay, just be careful out there, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.